Hello, friend, and welcome back to Conversa. I'm teacher Shelby. I'm here on my couch with a good video for you today. Have you ever said he have instead of he has? Or maybe I am agree instead of I agree? Don't worry, you're not alone. Now, in today's lesson, I'll show you the most common mistakes English learners make, really simple mistakes, and more importantly, how to fix them so you can sound more natural and more confident in English. Let's get started. Mistake number one many learners make is subject-verb agreement. Many learners, they say, he have a car. But the correct way is he has a car. Or I does my work. Not does. With I, it's do, right? So it's easy to mix up do and does and have and has in the present tense. So with he, she, and it, you have to add an S to the verb in the present tense. And I have a video all about present tense if you want more information on that. Now, examples. She likes pizza. He plays soccer. It works well. So easy rule, he, she, and it, the third person, add an S to your verb, always. Now, mistake number two is saying, I am agree, or he is agree, or we are agree. But in English, we don't say that. It's not the same. If you're a Spanish speaker, it's not the same as estoy de acuerdo. It's different. The correct way is simply I agree. He agrees. We agree, right? Agree is already a verb. So you don't need the verb am, is, or are. You don't need the verb to be. For example, I agree with you, or we agree about the plan. Simple. Now, mistake number three is double negatives. Sometimes learners say, I don't have nothing. But in English, that's not correct. We say, I don't have anything. Remember, we only use one negative in the sentence. Don't, do not, and anything. Because if you say don't and nothing, that's two negatives. No. For example, I don't know anyone here, or she doesn't have anything to do today. Just one negative in your sentence, always. 3 mistakes down, 3 more to go. Mistake number 4 is prepositions. Prepositions in English are tricky. For example, many learners say, I am married with Dustin. But in English, we say, I am married to Dustin. Another example, I'm good in English, or I'm good in Spanish. We don't say in, we say at. I'm good at English, or I'm good at Spanish. Prepositions, they're small words, but they make a big difference. If you want to check out my preposition video, in, at, and on, you can master it here. Mistake number 5 is the past tense. The past tense, in my opinion, is the most difficult English verb tense, and a lot of English learners have past tense problems. Many beginners, they forget the past tense verb, and they say, yesterday I go to the store. No. The correct way is yesterday I went to the store. Or yesterday I don't go to the store. No, we use didn't, did not in the past. Oh, it can be so tricky. Remember, many verbs change in the past, especially irregular past verbs. For example, eat changes to ate, go changes to went, have changes to had. You can practice these, especially in my past tense video here, to sound more natural. Now, our final mistake, mistake number 6, has to do with articles. Don't forget your articles. For example, I went to store. Something's missing. We need the article the. I went to the store. Or I saw cat. No. I saw a cat. So articles, there are 3. A, and the. They're small words, but they are very important in English sentences. Today we learned some very common mistakes English learners make. Subject-verb agreement. I agree, not I am agree. No double negatives, never, never. Prepositions, past tense verbs, articles. Now tell me, which of these mistakes do you make the most? Write it in the comments so I know what to help you with next time. Maybe I can make a special video just for that. Now, if you found this lesson helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English. Check out my video from last week if you want a deep dive on the past, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.